everybody. We've got an unboxing today. The temperature has gone down and it's a little windy, but this should do the trick in keeping the wind off the mic. And I'm excited about this, so I want to get this open as soon as possible. Also, I got these off the internet. You got a little digger on the end of each finger. I used them in the garden already. They're excellent. This is not a paid promotion or anything. It's just one of my new tools that I'm going to use to get my mulch with, because as far as wood chip mulch goes and chipping up wood, if you watch my videos last year, I used the poor man's chipper shredder, the lawnmower running over those raspberry canes. This year I'll be able to put them to this. See, you can work with those gloves on fairly well. Okay, this is kind of the upside down. Take it over. Anything that's going to blow away. There. Comes with a tool. Okay. Wheel cover. There's a crack in the basket, but I'm not going to worry about that. I could fix that if I wanted to. There's the opener screw to get at the blades. I was reading online about one of these and someone said it had a single blade. But this has double blades. And they're double edged. So when they dulls out on one side, you could take it off, switch them around and use it again. And then when both sides are dulled out, of course, then you definitely have to replace it. Sharpen it. This is the tool that it came with, and you see that's what you would use to take off the blades and sharpen them up. Here's your on and off switch. No sound. Circuit breaker. Yeah, so that's your cord. It's a 15 amp. One thing I'm not seeing on here is a place to put this tool. That you put in behind the house, out of the way of the wind. So this is how big this thing is, fully assembled. It has I think it's a 50-litre basket here. You can take an 1.5-inch branch. I have this branch. This is a flower stock from the sunflowers. several stalks from stinging nettles. This is grapevines, and right there I got some leaves I can collect up. I didn't want to collect them up right away because the wind could just blow them away. We only have a little slot here, so the grapevines might be a little difficult to get it in, but we'll see how it works. So that's the sunflower stalk. See, woody debris, first time through it'll come out, I can put that on the pathways. But if I want it smaller, I just dump it out in the wheelbarrow and run it through again. Make sure you're wearing ear protection and eye protection when you're using this thing. That's gonna be beautiful for the pathways. And I've got quite a few branches to clip up. I think I'm happy with it. This has a 2-year warranty, and nowadays that's about the best you're going to get. Some things you can get 3-year warranty on. This little clip holds your tray in place. So that was the new Yardworks chipper shredder. Right now I'm thinking it's a good product. Of course, I can't say for sure or recommend it until I used it for a while. But I'm excited to get this yard cleaned up with all the sticks has been collecting around. And excited for all the mulch that it's going to give me. See you in the next one.